Do you want to know how to lock Facebook profiles? Well, then you have come to the right video because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this. But make sure that you watch this video until the very end so you don't make any mistake in this process. So the first thing, open up your Facebook and click on the menu icon at the top right corner. Now scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy and click on Settings. Now just scroll down and under Audience and Visibility option, you will find Profile Locking. Click on it and now here you can lock your profile. After you lock your profile, only friends will able to see the post, photos and stories on your profile. People will still be able to search for you and send you a friend request. If you want to lock your profile, just click right here, lock your profile. Click on it and that's it. I've just locked my profile and hit on OK. We hope you enjoyed our video. If you found it useful, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. If you have any questions or comments about the topic we covered today, we'd love to hear from you in the comment section. Thank you for watching and we hope you have a fantastic day.